Thank you for joining me today for this yoga pose breakdown. Today I'm going to explain broken wing. It is a great pose to stretch your chest and your shoulders. Additional benefits of this pose is it will increase your mood and flexibility. It also opens up the heart and the mind, and it gives physical and emotional transformation within the body. The only contraindication is avoid this pose if you have any shoulder or back issues. All right, we are going to start coming down on our mat. We're going to extend our right arm, bringing our right temple to the mat. We're going to roll up onto our side, stacking our hips. We're going to take our left hand in front to help support and give a little bit more. We're going to use that as leverage to get a little more stretch through the chest and the shoulder. You want to hold this pose for 3 to 5 breaths. You can go ahead if you want to make the pose a little more challenging. You can actually take your left leg and bring it back, stretching that quad. If you added the leg, go ahead and bring that back, stacked on top of your other leg. Go ahead and roll back to the left and come on up. We will do that on the left side. You're going to take your left arm, you're going to come down on your belly, taking your left arm, extending it, rolling up on your side, using the right arm this time to help support and bring that stretch. If you want to add the leg, go ahead and take that right leg, bringing that foot back to stretch that quad. Bring that leg back if you had that leg out. Go ahead and roll forward and come on up. I hope you enjoy broken wing, and it's really good for a yin practice to add in, or hatha yoga. I hope you have a great day. Please leave me a comment below. Let me know what you would love to see next. Have a great day. Please remember to like, subscribe, and click that notification button.